Now in MS project, we will see some interesting topics. Okay, for that I'm going to have some task and I'm going to have some duration. I'm going to link and then I'm going to auto schedule. Okay, now we can able to see some kind of relation lines it is coming. Okay, if you want to change the relation line or if you want to change the size of the bars, then you need to go to format and here you have layout option. Click that one, and if you want to remove this relationship line, you need to put this option. When you click OK, then you might not be having relationship line in your Gantt chart. Okay, again, if you are going for this, it is what the default. Okay, at the same time, if you are going to the middle one, then you will get this kind of relationship line. So you can able to prefer which one you want to have in your Gantt chart. This also seems to be the good one. So you can able to have the middle one. And we can also change the date format from here. See, but this date option, it is not applicable for the start and finish dates in the entry table. If you want to change that, then you need to go to file and then option. And here you need to change the date format. But if you have some dates in the Gantt chart, for example, I will go for a right click, bar style. So for the task and text, it is showing only the resource name. But I'm going to left and I'm going to select the start. So select the start and then click OK. And can you able to see it is showing 09 November. To change this kind of things, we can go for format layout. And here you can able to select the date format. When you select, you can able to see that particular format, it will be applicable to the Gantt chart and then the bars. So for that, we can just go from here. And we can also go for bar height. So bar height, I am going for 24. It will be even more thicker. See, now the bar size having more thickness. Accordingly, we are also getting the row thickness. Now if I am going for 10 alone, click OK. Now you can able to see the bar size, the thickness of the bar was getting reduced. And we also have some other option, always roll up Gantt bars. Why? In the sense, like you can go for format and you can able to have project summary task. When you have project summary task, we are not getting bar in the project summary task. It is very blank. So when you are just hiding it, you can't able to see anything. Okay. So in that case, you can go to layout, always roll up Gantt bar and then click OK. See, now we can able to see the bar in the summary task also. When you remove also, it is not going, right? So in that case, we can go to layout and here we need to select this option. Now it will be hidden. When you are hiding, then it will come. When you are removing, it won't come. These options we can able to see from the layout. And apart from that, we also have show drawing, this one. So this one just for a presentation purpose. For example, some arrow, some rectangle box, some text. So all these things we can able to do from the drawing. But now I'm going for layout and I am just going to remove it. So then we can't able to use any of the drawing tool. But before what you drawn or what you have in the Gantt chart, it will be there. Even you can't able to select and delete at least. So you need to go to layout and you need to make that check and then click OK. Now you can able to select and delete. This is for the drawing. So these are all the options we have in the layout in the format menu or format tab in MS project. So kindly make use of it. So it will be very helpful for any projects. So now we have these two tasks and we also have two bars in the Gantt chart. So if you want to like split any of these tasks, then we can go to task and then go for split task. Then you can able to click somewhere. Then we can able to see the split up in between the task. So we can able to see the dot blue color line. It is not having the whole bar. It will be having the dotted lines. Okay. When you are just closing this or collapsing it, you can able to see the split up here also in the summary task. That is what we have in the format layout. So if you are removing it, actually we can't able to remove it. Okay, this splitter, it is essential to show in the summary also. That is what it is. Now we can also go for round bars to whole days. If you are removing it and click OK, then you can able to see. This is not like the whole day. See, because we have in between gap, right? That gap also it will show in the summary. Because every day we can able to work for 8 hours or 10 hours. And after that we will be having some blank. That blank only we can able to see here. So this option also we have in layout. If you want to show that as a whole day, we can click this and then click OK. Then we can able to see the whole day. At the same time, I will go for undo. Okay, now I will try to go for layout and then show bar split. No, we can't able to just switch it off. It is always switch on. So like this, we can able to show our split edge. So this kind of options also we have in the format layout. So these two options. So kindly make use of all these things.